Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to unlink Instagram from your Facebook. Now guys, if you're looking for a way to manage these accounts independently, I'll be showing you how easy it is to unlink Instagram from your Facebook account. The first thing is to get over to your Facebook account, and then you want to tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then guys, you're going to scroll over to where you see settings and privacy. Now you're going to be tapping on settings, and then you're going to tap on see more in account center, and it gets you over here. You want to scroll down to where you see accounts. I'm going to be removing one of my Instagram accounts, and to do that all you need to tap is remove, and then I'm going to be tapping on remove account, continue, and then it's going to ask you for the final instruction. I'm just going to tap on yes. And guys, as you can see, that particular Instagram account has been unlinked from this Facebook. Now these are very easy steps for you to follow. If you found this video useful, please hit on the follow button and follow us for more useful tutorials like this. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.